How can I cleanse my body of toxins naturally? Do you know your body may be full of toxins? These are naturally occurring poisons. All living organisms which undergo metabolism will create toxins on their own. Toxin buildup can cause brain fog, irritability, exhaustion, stress-induced muscle aches, inability to concentrate, tiredness, restlessness and many more problems. Improve your body and mind with a natural Asian solution. Natural and effective detox foot patches for eliminating toxins from the body, and promoting health. Nuubu patches help remove toxins from the body, aiming at the root cause. It is the most productive skin patch that can pull out all the poisonous toxins in your body. What is Nuubu Detox patches? Nuubu Detox foot patches are formulated, based on traditional Japanese medicine. According to the traditional knowledge of Japanese herbs, there are more than 60 acupuncture points, located on the soles of the foot. The body may eliminate these dangerous toxins with the help of Nuubu Detox patches. How to use it? They remove toxins from your body while you sleep. You just put the patches on your feet before the night, and go rest. And, when you wake up in the morning, you can take them off and see that they have darkened. These are toxins extracted from your body. Nuubu patches are infused with beneficial vitamins and elements. When in reaction with sweat, these elements cause the change of color of the patch, which should be visibly darker after use. This is how you know detox is working. Nuubu is designed by the top specialists in traditional Japanese wisdom. The ingredients used in Nuubu have been tested through generations to deliver you the best, top-of-the-line solution to the toxin accumulation. Nuubu Detox foot patches ingredients. These cleansing patches contain natural ingredients, including herbs and herbal extracts. Loquat leaf antibacterial ingredient, absorbs foul odors, provides a pleasant aroma. Bamboo vinegar promotes the reproduction of beneficial microorganisms, promotes digestion, removes foul odors, promotes bowel and oral health. Vitamin C, a strong antioxidant which boosts your immunity. Dextrin, a fiber supplement which serves as an overall support to other ingredients. Hatunia cordata thumb contains adjuvanticity, anti-obesity, hepatoprotective, antiviral and antibacterial properties. One of the key benefits of Nuubu is stress relief. The pads comfort the soles of the feet at night, claiming to rid the body of stress and fatigue that accumulate through the day. Nuubu also promises to drive away your anxiety while you sleep. After a few days of use, you should feel more ease and clarity in your mind and body upon waking up. The comfort Nuubu provides for your soul should make your night more blissful and improve your sleep quality so that you wake up well rested and active. The removal of toxins helps clean pores, so you should see a reduction in acne breakouts and other skin-related problems. Nuubu will give you the stress relief that you've been missing. You will have more energy, feel healthier, and, overall, happier. The positive effects of Nuubu should be felt after a couple of uses. However, feel free to use the detox patches as long as you feel the need. Your wellness has no limits.